everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we will be learning how to change phone number on ShopPay account. So watch the video till the end and follow the process. Open up a web browser of your choice to begin. In the URL box, type in shop.app and search. Once you end up in this official website, make sure to sign into your account first. After logging in, click on your profile icon at the top right hand corner and click Settings. Now, you will come across this interface from where you will need to click on Login and Security. Right where you see your mobile number, click on Change and select your country from the drop-down and enter a phone number in the text box. After typing in the new number you'd like to update to, click Continue. Enter the code that you received just now on your new number via SMS. And soon after you type in the code, you will be able to change your phone number. So that is how you can easily change your phone number on ShopPay in just a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.